What's that?
All right, it's Project Rattlesnake. It's got the 5 lug conversion.
All right.
And from an axle, full axle from SN95, 1.5 inch wider, just so that you're aware. Disc brake conversion. However, we want to go all new brakes, and while we're buying new brakes, might as well just do Cobra brakes. Cool, right? Well, yeah, you need this stuff, we found out. Unfortunately, I've decided to fix forward, fail forward. Yeah, I did my research, but it wasn't good enough. And then I found out that you need these. Unfortunately, it adds a considerable cost to the conversion for the rear. The fronts are direct bolt-on, but these plates here are kind of the main deal.
Still, though, when we're talking about a full brake upgrade, complete everything new, that would still be on stock brakes a few $100, and we're spending $1,000. But we're getting Cobra brakes; everything's way bigger. So
yeah, for the whole car. So this kit here from I got it from Summit Racing. It's the Ford Racing. I'm sorry, Summit. It's the Ford Performance M-2300-M kit. It's about $350 plus tax and shipping to add on to the rest. So anyway, we're going to drop the oil, pull the C-clips, pull the axles out, and unbolt the old backing plates there, and the moan brackets they call these, although we may be able to reuse the old ones. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out.
Is it true that adding the extra lug is 25% more horsepower?
Oh, at least.
I'm pretty sure it's
yeah.
true. The math works
well,
out.
And we've reduced weight by taking off some of the old paint, so we'll be
That's
faster.
True.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We're budget drag car.
That won't be.